From the way we connect to how we browse, shop, and bank, technology adds so much to our everyday lives. But with convenience comes risk. Our personal data is tracked, analyzed, and sold online, creating new opportunities for identity thieves. Before the internet, criminals relied on calling you up or going through the trash or mailbox to find your sensitive information. Today, we trust companies to store our personal information when we do business with them, but sometimes they experience a hack or breach. Consumers are eager for a solution that gives them more control over their data. Allstate has been protecting the things people care about most for over 85 years. Now, with Allstate Identity Protection, we're looking after your online privacy. Our digital footprint tool lets you see where your personal data lives online and empowers you to help protect it. We use cybersecurity operatives to monitor the dark web where hackers operate, as well as monitor your social media accounts, digital exposure, and IP address. If fraud occurs, our customer care team is available 24/7 to help restore your identity. You'll even be reimbursed for funds stolen from your HSA or retirement accounts, which are not typically covered by banks. And with a $1 million identity theft policy, you can rest assured that your identity is in good hands. So go on, browse, shop, and share more confidently than ever. The next generation of identity and privacy protection is here.